ya busunya form makwa bade back in sports e wo YouTube e busunya on second video bia na wa share na wa like na for so anya bia hwem won subscribe so a mia subscription button so na subscribe no mia notification bell na so na the video bia ba na some drop new video bia be notification na wa hwe na bibia akoyi e dia ma nyina nyame hira mu nyina se de bia mo yene sa e de ma ye nyame hira mu bebre Kingwood say nyame hira mu Kingwood sports nyame hira mu abusunya fo yen semre no Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko aso ya ni yebu ewura ennei yenim se aye pre-season no eguso a ekoso e Krobia Metema Asante Kotoko aso ye ebusunya enne training no ekoso ewo aye adako jaache ehọ na training no ekoso na nya asem ketwa wo hwe players ne pa ne ahomkeka ne ne adin am de training na enyimanu antwi kwohwe enyimanu antwi ni players na o ma aka no ne adin am de training wo se players no omani abri papa na ebusunya fo me fam nko machi kakra about 2 weeks ago en na mbekra kire mo say eye Kumasi Asante Kotoko former goalkeeper Danlad Ibrahim eye free agent after the contract with Ethiopian Coffee Club na be na wiye no 2 years contract na be na wiye no currently or Ghana about a free agent only club na yetete ye anase de batum anim say Kotokofo enya anka ombama Danlad ababak na eja wasan beto aso e de amakrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ye de sansem we e de bremo ebusuafo no bebre na aka se o anya possible ba ni ame no ka sei Danlad Ibrahim ene Kotoko e training ne e wada ko jaachi yenim se Kotoko e pe goalkeepers Danlad a former goalkeeper or a free agent. He is young, 23 years old. Inti Kotoko getting Danlad Ibrahim back now, and yes, something difficult. Nti abusuya eni amanu meka say, me say Danlad eni Krobia Metema Asante Kotoko training. Abusuya for me enko yensem ne so. Ye beka Danlad ho nsem kakra. Danlad esi akan clubs a Danlad esi akan de amo wasi akan de ama brekum Chelsea pen. Danlad esi akan de ama Kinfesa. From Kinfesa and obe join Krobia Metema Asante Kotoko to the extent of some be the captain of the club. From there and o movie at the call Ethiopian Coffee Club. About 2 years. Na ebusuya Danlad ya kana asemi Danlad join Asante Kotoko no 14 years of age. Danlad join Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko now 14 years of age. Ana o join Kotoko. Every one no ye part of under 17 squad ye de call India World Cup no ye number 1 goalkeeper. Edema under 17 squad ye de call India no. Osan he was also part a part of 2022 World Cup squad ye de call Qatar no ye third goalkeeper. No goalkeeper trainer ye fire no Danlad account, so he was part of 2022 squad ye de call World Cup no Qatar no. Na Danlad Ibrahim eka sa squad no, but another ko jaache no hwe Danlad ewo adako jaache ebusuya ene players anase goalkeepers na ewo training camp anase training ho no mo ye 4 goalkeepers na Danlad Ibrahim, Haruna Aziz, ana youth goalkeeper Clever Obin, ana Benjamin Chum. We 4 goalkeepers ene omono Kotoko training ye wada ko jaache. There's one Cameroonian goalkeeper I don't see a part of the goalkeepers available, but eneno wada ko jaache wono he was not part of the training. He was not part. And the 4 goalkeepers are not adako jaache Danlad, Haruna, Clever, and Benjamin Chum. Nebusuya tama training koso Kotoko boy 11 aside. Omo 11. Na 11 na omo boy no. 2 goalkeepers Kotoko choose omo da sa 11-11 na ọmụ boy na yɛ Danlad Ibrahim and Haruna Aziz. We no 2 goalkeepers a ọmụ da goal no Abra Kotoko ebo 11 aside ewo Adako Jache. Ebusunya yɛ de batuma nim sɛ initially na Danlad Accra House of Folk for target. Na Accra House of Folk for epe Danlad because in Pempreya me no ka say the possibility say Benjamin Asare ebe free Accra House of Folk no very high. Accra House of Folk hwe so mbeton Benjamin Asare and I say Benjamin Asare ebe free phobia bo boko no mu akosi na kan de ama club foforo. En Pempreya me no ka say Solomon Agbasi recently has phone pen for an tenase. E manage to say on condition say obenya playing time and I say obetumi enough playing time as first show goalkeeper. Ojitum so obetumi assign here 3 years contract with House of Folk. En Pempreya me no ka say Solomon Agbasi was South Africa sisia. Was South Africa. Our new pro sport for Edium Komo. So Benya club be our South Africa. Inti currently I say Pempreya Menoka say Solomon Agbasi any Ghana Sisia here ka say or South Africa. Possibility say Benjamin Asare Black Star goalkeeper on also be free phobia. Akope anasa akobo club for no very high. Inti since Pempreya Menoka say has for any goalkeeper. In the house 4 years said then say Benjamin Eko Solomon Agbasi uncertain and also possibility of becoming very high there. Then the only option as available option was Danlad Ibrahim na will be PM or phobia as you here. But in Pempreya me no ka say Danlad Ibrahim Kotoko camps is here on your mo training. Na ebusuafo wo hwe coach Eric Tinkler any Stanley Menzo sporting director wo hwe Modembo anase de ekoso ewo Danlad any sampling for ntema the possibility say Danlad Ibrahim ebesi na kan ede ama krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko no very high. The possibility say Danlad ebesi na kan ede ama krobia Metema Asante Kotoko no very high. And Kotoko enya Danlad Ibrahim onya foforo yenim ni performance yenim ni modembo Kotoko for edono Kotoko supporters edono epenasem because he was one reliable goalkeeper sir na Kotoko ewo. Into me as a Kotoko supporter, Kotoko fan, I'll be very happy, I'll be very grateful, I'll be very very happy. Say Danlad will come back to Krobia Metema Asante Kotoko. No we be nakai. He is very young, 23 years old. Over years be ahead of him. But Ushe modern bar Danlad boy ewo Ethiopia Coffee Club no mu. These 2 years na betwem kono. Sanka Danlad does go no Ghana ha. Ka me sure say square de call World Cup no. Ewo America, Mexico, Canada no ko betumi aka ho. And ye empire say he will convince by convinced ama Stanley Menzo sporting director no and Eric Tinkler now be part of Krobia Metema Asante Kotoko into when you free Danlad Ibrahim asu ediba ebusu afọ madam ase bebile se bia mo hwe me video mo share mo like mo subscribe ya me subscribe na umia subscription button no so na notification button no so na me drop video bi a be notify na watumi ahwe video. Yes, this time around the Kotoko news, Kotoko update, Kotoko transfers, Kotoko just everything Kotoko matches, everything about Kotoko. You can't miss it on Kingwood Sports on YouTube. nyame hira mu nyina se de biam hwɛ video mo hyɛ na mo like ye besa the new update esan e de abram from the camp of eye Krobia Metema Asante Kotoko nyame hira mu nyina na nsɛm ya yake ene boss Richardo Suarez Pepe e wo nkyeremu bebra ade manti mu yenko te Richardo Suarez Pepe ne besa de sisia
Penny no ye chechem chara ntiase a wa hwe abema na be 40 years of Japan. Unu zo abo Brekum Chelsea.
Yes.
Wa bo Ken Visor. And wa bo Kotoko abeda na captain.
Wow.
Say yan chechem an chero ba bi asem ni firi a. Wa hwe abega zo Danlad e bia Pepe wanyini. Pacho. Danlad eba Kotoko as a 14-year-old and wa World Cup under 17. Akojini ding. That World Cup was played in India. Only never review that World Cup. I mean, Baby Joe.
Nice one.
Baby Joe cause that World Cup. I'm a FIFA for a say World Cup no buy no. Or the best supporter of the FIFA World Cup. Baby Joe. Akojini ding World Cup.
Nice one.
So Danlad Ibrahim has been around for some time, playing, passing through the Kotoko ranks, and eventually becoming the Asante Kotoko captain.
Yeah.
Danlad wako World Cup 2022 FIFA World Cup. Goalkeepers miensa Ghana edekoma FIFA no. Na Ibrahim Danlad ekasa goalkeepers no.
Yeah.
Enti akwada no de waye adwuma. Na me no kasa ene. Ewa dako jachi. Danlad trained with Asante Kotoko.
Woo.
Asante Kotoko former captain. Asante Kotoko former goalkeeper. Danlad Ibrahim. And now Adako Jachi. Danlad training with Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
87.9 Kumasi. Wow.
Say a year free. Say Kotoko na wiye. Say a training and observation. Ibrahim Danlad actually played today. In fact, and na Kotoko training of Japan. Omo eye training kwa nimu no. Omo chem abo 11 like 11.
Okay.
Goalkeepers 9 and na training no 9. Abranta did Aziz Haruna Dare. Benjamin Chum.
Okay.
Youth team goalkeeper. I find clever obeying.
87.9 Kumasi.
But first two goalkeepers are coach is selected for game no. Danlad ejina one side and Aziz Haruna Dare ejina one side.
Wow.
And no na unse juma ya che. Yeah, me say na goalkeeper oba try na ya selected players of Japan. Niema Dare ne Danlad dem no there. I say Danlad no obeba na asa ya fana na.
And no, I besides as a hard to focus, you show interest.
Of course, has possible that has been lose both Benjamin Asare and Agbesi kwade onya has player. Me no ka say Solomon Agbesi e was South Africa.
Oh, okay.
Agbesi e call last week Thursday. Or has over signed contract at the Ama Pro Sports International. Na Pro Sports Isaac Sa and Mike Makamo are representing. No more petim at the Amano.
The original fella.
The branch and the thing at the Agbesi kwade Onikroim.
Okay.
He's already left town. And Okoye no. Onyanya team the name anya won say. Obenya team $5,000, $6,000 in the obenya bi.
Okay.
So he's not here. Has and so I received proposals. Phobia no bet to me. Aton the goalkeeper and Black Stars goalkeeper no.
Benjamin Asare.
So mumi enu ekwa enu na ma hat to folk show interest in
Danlad.
Ibrahim Danlad no. Yakaza has almost suffered goalkeeping crisis for some time. Last season, last 2 seasons, sa goalkeeping crisis has ankom. Dabi ayana akwadana ndin ade Sharif Shoaib. Oni nini aba akono kabi mrefi ndin. Nkatia no mbo short or tete o na. Wa mo level na nya has level. But has actually yes ye na Samia je goalkeeper. Yana na Bendida go yana James Lano ifri yana Muhammad Al Free Abai has a chance to be at the goalkeeper's bar. But no more say if they should lose their captain and Black Stars player, then Danlad able to make adequate replacement. Abu Shaya can say Danlad is still 23 years.
Wow.
Ibrahim Danlad the age 23.
Wow.
23. Meso Bob Brekum Chelsea or Bokim Pfizer. Abraham Danlad Adakim Pfizer no, there was something that happened. At that time, no under 20 goalkeeper, on a under 20 captain and goalkeeper guy.
Yes.
Na Ghana will game. Satam Kim Pfizer ko boni game ewo boase. Ese Danlad ebe Kumasi be for flight. Edna ni chirem na otim ko join Black Sunlight.
Yeah.
And e kwa mo fa so twi ka for boase. Ede Danlad be pie mu man be for flight e ko nkana enyasem ketwa. So Ibrahim Danlad already training with Kotoko, and we can say Abranje no very likely. In fact, come on. Well, him Danlad bia Danlad one of the most humble guys I have met in footballers of my humble. Menen nkasa nkomo mi die ya mi chire ma chire wi na met ma chire da be sign contract menen nkasa se ka menen nakasa dia ka be so menen Danlad kasa no menen nkasa menzo bai menen number na mena kodi nkomo ten club number bi ote na mena kodi nkomo but no kwese me wo ma metima ka chire wo de say Ibrahim Danlad a move pass observation no na dia me wan say Cameroon goalkeeper no mofra no Kotoa no enne training no pay a course no Kotoa na maybe a 4 goalkeepers Aziz Benjamin Chum Danlad Ibrahim and a clever obeying clever and a 20 our Kotoko youth team goalkeeper we mo and a Japan o me goalkeepers o me training ne adakujachi so Danlad wa o ye training and coach no ne your profile of players, what I say? Yes. Danlad profile, no. The enka could my recommend is a Torima Minibia, so Bobby Tima. Okay. The profile, no. Eric Tinkler and Stanley Atanasi. I had Danlad profile. Or my check Ethiopia Coffee Club. Names a Kabiru Benya. Start what am I honor or first choice goalkeeper. So go out quite will be more. Yes. Danlad no first choice goalkeeper with them. Na we need player of the month award. No, we need player of the day and the award. The team no award wajia. And 2 years na so. Na control master of the ya can do anymore. A control munsem no. You can't do anymore. Tinyani nyina na ye can ye jabi. Abrante Felice Obafie. Ma mencha wade ba ko. Onim say Danlad. Omo mo ben no wagidie say no oda so ye goalkeeper anko be ko cup.
Sure. Because
akwa World Cup reda.
Yeah.
To adaso ya Asante Kotoko goalkeeper. Ya na Kotoko ne kasiye no. E piani oma o. Danlad go akoda with Ethiopia say na dan kurima. E bia nka na no ye kwa World Cup nka akobi. So Ibrahim Danlad Abba and Ghana all the national teams were abo.
Yeah.
U17, U20, 23 Black Stars. And Black Galaxies. Wabudi nyina asi. Yankwe ni. And some more. I'm just person my champion.
Richard Pepe shall raise the filament.